Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Clone Engine 23. Yes, this is a little bit many than before. In this time, I'm wanna talk about real, detailed, accurate shape, not custom, just buying them. Yes, still on my Lightsabers week. Yes, first, of course, there's so many Ahsoka bootleg. Sin, G brand, TV brand, WM, yes. Corwit, yes. There's so many of Ahsoka, and there's about this is the best top 3 yes of Ahsoka lightsaber. Yes, as you know, Ahsoka using a double lightsaber. I got this from TV brand. Yes, I think the owner of TV brand, it's a diehard fan of Clone Wars, because there's always TV brand mostly make Star Wars set. What do you think, guys? This is not my custom work. This is from a minifigure set of Ahsoka from bootleg an official fake brand. Yes, just like Corwit, Sin, TV brand, G brand, WM. Yes, you can search on the marketplace Ahsoka series or Ahsoka set. Yes, or you can search it, Google it first on the Google, and then you go to the marketplace. Yes, and next, Count Dooku. This is from WM, if I'm not mistaken. This is from WM, and I'm gonna repaint this into more detail of Count Dooku. It's plain, just flat silver. It's supposed to be two-tone color. Yes. Also, here we go. The famous Inquisitor double blade lightsaber. Rotary double blade, if I'm not mistaken. It can rotary spinning. Yes, and this is only one brand make this detail, and so good detail. The plastic shape, there's no trouble. Just this, maybe this small shape from Corwit, guys. You can, and also this is from the set. This set, it's all the lightsaber, it's have this shape, guys, from Corwit. And also the last, oh no, not the last. This is Darksaber. Yes, great detail, the texture, and the two-tone color of the grip area. This is great. This is from Corwit or KDL, if I'm not mistaken. KDL and Corwit is the same company, if I'm not mistaken. Just like Sinhong and G brand. Yes. Yes, the last one. This is unique, guys. And just realized today, I just realized it not compatible with regular lightsaber, these parts, because the size, it's different. This is from TV brand, guys. Look, the detail is insane. The coloring, look on this area. This is so cool. Yes, here we go. This is the Anakin lightsaber, and I gonna custom it into two-tone color with black color on this area into a dark feather lightsaber. Yes, because it's almost the same shape. That's it about my collection of minifigures, lightsabers. This is not my custom, by the way. This is not my custom. I just buy it, and this is the great accurate shape from a bootleg brand, which is only mostly about $1, only $1. You can get this incredible accurate shape of lightsaber. Always, guys, stay safe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.